So next one is the Chichi-Bobbin reaction. Look at here, Chichi-Bobbin reaction. So what is the meaning of Chichi-Bobbin reaction means? The Chichi-Bobbin reaction means amination of pyridine. The amination of pyridine called Chichi-Bobbin reaction. So when in the Chichi-Bobbin reaction, pyridine react with the sodamide. This is the sodamide. When it is react with the sodamide, in the presence of liquid ammonia at 100 degrees Celsius, we get 2-aminopyridine. We get 2-aminopyridine. So this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. So here removal of NaH, sodium hydride. Clear? Now here is a nucleophile NH2 substitute in that place of hydrogen. Here is there. So this is a 2-aminopyridine. Clear? This is the reaction. Write down everyone. Right, next one. Mechanism. How it is get 2-aminopyridine. So I will show in the mechanism. Okay, clear? అమ్మ ఇది రాసుకోండి. Right. I will go the mechanism. So this is the common reaction when pyridine react with the sodamide to form the 2-aminopyridine. This is the Chichi-Bobbin reaction, means amination of pyridine. So we have to add the formine group with the pyridine, that is we call the amination of pyridine. So that is we call Chichi-Bobbin reaction. So I go for the mechanism. How it is formation of 2-aminopyridine. Look at here. This is a mechanism. Now we'll take this is the pyridine. Right, I will take the sodamide. From that sodamide, in that sodamide, NH2 is a minus, Na is a plus. So once these electrons shift into the nitrogen getting the negative charge. Now this carbon getting positive. From the sodamide, NH2 group is bonding with the carbon, NH2. Here is the bond, here is the bond. Right? Now next one, this is the first step. You think second step. At second step, look at that one. So N. So I will continue from this here. Right now, when these electrons shift into here, these electrons come to the inside. So the bond between the nitrogen and the carbon, here is the negative, here is a double bond. So when these electrons shifting to this carbon side, these carbons enter into the inside. N, here is a double bond, here is a double bond, here is a negative, here is a NH2. Okay, clear? Right, we know that here is the one hydrogen is there. So hydrogen, it is removed in H minus. So these electron when it is come to the inside, now minus H minus. So there N double bond double bond, double bond, NH2. So in that sodium also there. That's why here form the NaH. NaH is the minus, Na is the plus, H is the minus, Na is the plus. So sodium hydride. So this is the mechanism of the Chichi-Bobbin reaction. Chichi-Bobbin reaction, what is that? So here pyridine, when it is reacted with the sodamide, liquid ammonia at 100 degrees Celsius, we getting 2 amino pyridine. 2 amino pyridine. So this is the reaction, this is the mechanism. Okay, clear? So write down. Look at here in the previous reaction, Chichi-Bobbin reaction. There finally we get in their loss of sodium amide. Yes, no, that sodium amide. So it is in the test tube already it is there in the liquid ammonia. Yes, so it will be converted to NaNH2, NaNH2 plus H2 gas. So this is also write down. Right. So this is the Chichi-Bobbin reaction. And next one is the pyridine reactive with the potassium hydroxide. With the potassium hydroxide. So I will take the pyridine. So when pyridine react with the potassium hydroxide at 100 degrees Celsius to form 2-hydroxypyridine, we get 2-hydroxypyridine. Right. Next one, when react with second one, when react with phenyl lithium, this is the phenyl lithium. Now when pyridine react with phenyl lithium to form 2-phenylpyridine minus lithium hydride. Here is also potassium hydride. So that is not nucleophilic substitution reactions. That's why hydrogen eliminating like a H minus. Now next one, pyridine react with N-butyl lithium. N-butyl lithium. When it is react with the N-butyl lithium to form 2-butyl 2-butyl pyridine. Right, next one. When pyridine react with Grignard reagent, when react with Grignard reagent, I am taking here methyl magnesium bromide of the example Grignard. Now here get the 2-methyl pyridine. So these are the nucleophilic substitution reactions of the pyridine. So finally, that nucleophilic substitution at the place of second position in the pyridine. So first of all, in this topic, Chichi-Bobbin reaction is a very important. So that is to keep it in mind how it is formation of 2-amino pyridine and with the reaction with also mechanism that is necessary for the exam purpose. So this is the nucleophilic substitution reactions in pyridine. Okay. Next one, oxidation of pyridine. Look at here. When the pyridine react with the peracetic acid to form N oxide pyridine. N oxide pyridine. All right. Now next one, reduction. Next, pyridine, when it is reduction in the presence of sodium and alcohol to form piperidine. That name is the piperidine. What it is formed here? Piperidine. We get the piperidine. When the when the pyridine react, when the pyridine is a reduction under the condition of sodium and alcohol, we get the piperidine. Okay, right. Now next one. This is the first one, reduction. Second reduction, when pyridine reduction, when pyridine reduction under the sodium and liquid ammonia, sodium and liquid ammonia, we get 1,4 dihydropyridine. We get 1,4 dihydropyridine. So this is the oxidation and reduction of the pyridine. Okay, clear? Right, next one, electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reactions. First one, in the previous class, we're discussing nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now here is the electrophilic substitution reactions. First one, nitration. So look at here. When pyridine react with, when it is pyridine react with concentration of H2SO4 plus fuming HNO3, nitric acid, at 300 degrees Celsius, we get the 3-nitropyridine. Already discussing that electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at the place of third position in the pyridine. So this is the nitration. This is the 3-nitropyridine. Right. So next one is the sulfonation. Right now, when the pyridine treated with the sulfuric acid H2SO4 at 220 degrees Celsius, we get pyridine 3-sulfonic acid, 3-sulfonic acid. So this is also electrophilic substitution reaction. So electrophilic substitution takes at place of third position. So this is the nitration and sulfonation. I go for the halogenation. Halogenation. Clear? Now look at here. When the pyridine react with the bromine in the presence of charcoal, at 220 or 200 degrees Celsius, we get 3-bromopyridine, 3-bromopyridine along with 3,5 dibromopyridine. 3-bromopyridine and also 3,5 dibromopyridine. Next one. When pyridine react with bromine, here in the presence of same charcoal, but here temperature 500 degrees Celsius, we get here 2-bromopyridine, 2-bromo plus 2,6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2,6 dibromopyridine we get in that halogenation. So now that 500 degrees Celsius, that electrophilic substitution at the place of second position, and next in the place of fifth position. Sorry, sixth position. So this is the halogenation, and this one is the nitration. This one is the sulfonation. So it is the electrophilic substitution takes place at the place of third position, or this is third, fourth, fifth. Electrophilic substitution reactions in that pyridine at the place of third or at the place of fifth position. When you go for give the alpha, beta, so beta positions, that is a suitable of electrophilic substitution reactions in the pyridine. And nucleophilic substitution reactions very suitable at the place of alpha positions. Okay, clear? This is the electrophilic substitution reactions of the pyridine. Okay, write down.